Have you ever wondered how the highest leader of the Catholic Church is chosen? It's not a regular election. It's a centuries-old process full of tradition, mystery, and, quite literally, smoke. In this video, you'll uncover the behind-the-scenes of the conclave, the cardinals' secret vote, the secrets of the Sistine Chapel, and the sacred ritual that defines the new pope. It all begins with the end of a papacy. When the pope dies or resigns, as Benedict XVI did, the Vatican enters a period known as sede vacante. During this time, the Camerlengo, a little-known figure, temporarily takes over the Church's administration. He's the one who officially confirms the Pope's death and seals off his private quarters. With the sede vacante, the conclave begins. The word comes from Latin cumclave, meaning with a key, and that's no coincidence. The cardinal electors, all under 80 years old, are literally locked inside the Sistine Chapel until they choose the next pope. They have no access to phones, internet, or any external communication. It's like a sacred version of Big Brother. The votes are secret and handwritten. Each cardinal writes down their chosen name and drops the folded paper into a golden urn. To elect a new pope, a candidate must receive at least 2/3 of the votes. If no one reaches that threshold, the ballots are burned with special chemicals that produce black smoke, the signal that no pope has been chosen yet. When someone is finally selected, the smoke changes. Now it's white. At that moment, the whole world stops. The new pope is taken to a room called the Room of Tears, where he puts on the white papal robe for the first time. There, he also chooses his new name. Afterward, he is introduced from the famous balcony with the phrase, Habemus Papam, we have a pope. But did you know not every cardinal wants to become pope? Some even pray not to be chosen. Becoming pope is a lifelong mission, unless he decides to resign. Behind the decision, beyond faith, there's also strategy. Cardinals talk to one another before the conclave, forming alliances and debating the Church's future. And what if the chosen cardinal refuses? Yes, it can happen. When a cardinal is elected, he still needs to accept. If he says, "I accept," the conclave ends. If he refuses, the process starts all over again. It's rare, but it has happened in history. Oh, and one curious detail. The elected pope doesn't need to be a cardinal. Technically, any baptized man can be chosen. Once elected, the new pope receives the ring of the fisherman, a symbol of his authority. He then begins his mission to lead more than 1 billion Catholics around the globe. From that moment on, everything changes. His name, his life, his daily routine, and the weight of the world upon his shoulders. A role of faith, power, and responsibility that influences political, social, and spiritual decisions. Next time you see that little white puff of smoke, you'll know exactly what happened behind that chimney. Choosing a pope is more than an ancient ritual. It's a decision that echoes in every corner of the world. And if you love uncovering the backstage of major historical events, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.